Hi loves, welcome back to another Halloween makeup tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how I created this Dia de los Muertos half skull. But first, make sure to subscribe to my channel. First I started marking the half of my face with a liner. I blended that line so there were no hard edges. Follow me on my Instagram for more day-to-day content. After that, I painted one half of my face with white face paint. With the same liner, I marked the eye and filled it in. I used a black shadow to lock that in place. With a liquid liner, I marked the skull nose. And fill it in with a pencil liner. I did a little bit of contour with a really dark brown shadow. And with the liner, I started marking the skull teeth. I filled each teeth with a different color. I wanted to make this look really fun. After that, I went back with the liquid liner and perfected the lines. I did the other side of my face off camera. And this is the result. I hope you like it. I see you in the next one. Bye bye.